So why won't your PlayStation console won't read disk? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video we're going to discuss some of the possible solutions on how we can fix if our PlayStation is not being able to read disk or the games that we insert into our console. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now your PS4 could not be reading your disk for multiple reasons, and there are much more claims on the internet saying that you might need to clean the CD and the port as well as all of the details inside of your PlayStation console in order to help read your disk. But before we try to do all of that, I only want to suggest you one thing. As I was going through this, maybe I saw a forum somewhere else on the internet claiming that one person actually tried to flip their PlayStation upside down and then reinsert their disk. So what I would also recommend you do is, before we try any of the general fixes in this video, I want you to go ahead and then turn your PlayStation console upside down and then remove the disk and then reinsert it again and see if that fixes the issue. If it does, then that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, then we're going to move on to some of the other solutions. So first of all, turn on your PlayStation console, and what we want to do is navigate to settings. And once we go to settings, here you want to simply scroll down to the bottom and check for the option called System Software Update. So under sign in screen, you can find the option called System Software Update. Just click on it and check if your PlayStation console has a software update available. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Updating will also refresh all of the data, though it is not going to delete it, and it will also most likely get rid of old bugs and errors that existed in this previous versions of your PlayStation console. If that doesn't help, what you can try to do is, I'm just going to cancel it and then I'm going to come back. Here you want to switch to the bottom of the screen and then select the option called Initialization. And once you go to Initialization, you want to choose the second option called Restore Default Settings. Now you might want to enter your PlayStation's passcode. The default passcode is 0000, as you can clearly see in the screen. If that doesn't work, you might have set a passcode, so try to remember that passcode and then restore the default settings on your PlayStation. However, if that doesn't help, your only final result, right? Only final because I'm telling, because this is going to wipe your data. So you want to go to the Initialize PS4 section. You can either do a quick wipe or a full wipe. Full wipe will complete it, delete, and it will factory reset and erase your PlayStation to the time when you first purchased it. So you might need to re-log into your PlayStation account and also re-download all of the games that you've ever downloaded on your PlayStation console. And hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem. And if it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.